Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Two Sisters Boutique and Couture. They're looking for a social media coordinator. This job includes, but not limited to, uploading pictures, blog, and vlogs, updating social media ads, creative ability to keep up with current trends, social media knowledgeability, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest. This job is part-time. It pays from $175 per week. And some of the benefits include employee discount, flexible schedule, flexible spending account, health savings account, professional development assistant. The schedule is day shift, Monday through Friday with some overtime and supplemental pay, commission pay. It says it is remote, but it does says all customers are required to have a minimum of flu shot, to face-to-face meeting, or mask worn, but this is remote, so it wouldn't apply. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, I'll have in the description down below the link so you can apply right away. But if it's not for you, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.